Okay, I'll just check it here. So it's been really difficult for us. There's been so many great costumes this year. And I don't want anyone to go disappointed. You're all winners to me as far as I'm concerned. However, we do have to give a prize to some people, and we're going to do this reverse order from third upwards. In third place, kind of unanimous from these guys, we're going to go with Tails Baby. In second place, I think what swung this was not only the great costume and the great acting, but the Japanese. So, the gentleman at the back dressed as Dr. Robotnik, I'd like to welcome. This was an easy one for us. It was probably the best costume I've seen at one of these conventions, and hopefully not stuck at the bike. I think Mecha Sonic definitely does.
Good job, I love it. I love it. First place, congratulations. If I could ask the winners of the costume contest to stay on stage and everyone else, if you could please.